To hook up the supply gases to the blender, we will begin with the inlet gas tubing. The tubing that you use for the inlet gas and the mixed gas outlet must be rated appropriately for the pressures that are going to be applied. In this case, we are using a common braided high pressure line. You will want to have the appropriate type and size of tubing clamp and tool to tighten it. Slide the clamp onto the tubing. You simply slide the tubing onto the barb. It may take some force. Make sure that you are connecting the appropriate supply gases to the correct inlet. Tighten the clamp to the manufacturer's specifications. Then, repeat the process on each successive inlet and outlet fitting. After completion, it should look something like this.